Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this rechargeable cat litter deodorizer. This eliminates 99.9% of smell-free odor. This does come with a 4000 milliamp battery. Alright, so right here we have the cat deodorizer. It is safe and efficient. It deodorized, negative ions, and ion purification. It uses a smart sensor light, 4000 milliamp battery, which is the capacity. It's got an exhaust port. So right here inside this smart pet deodorizer has the user instructions. So this helps get remove of all that stinky smell of your cat litter box. So it has a high sensitive, boasting a system, 100% cat friendly. The blue light breathings, auto shuts off when cat approaches. The blue light on, auto on after cat leaves for about 1 minute. So right here is the instructions. It basically just tells you the different light modes. So this lasts up to 14 days on a single charge. It has a rechargeable, more eco-friendly, non-consumable required. These last up to many years. So you get little stickers right here. So these ones you will put on one on the device and you'll have one on the wall. So this is a Type-C charging cable. It doesn't come with a block, but just a cable. So right here is the device itself. So this is where you will stick the sticker on. So this piece right here actually does remove. So when you stick this to the wall and it removes, you can charge it. There is a charging port right here, which is a Type-C. You've got the power button on right here. So this is suitable for all kinds of cat litter boxes, fully enclosed, top entry, semi-enclosed, or fully open. So this is a super nice box. You don't have to worry about cleaning the smell out of your bathroom or wherever you have your cat. This is a cat litter deodorizer. It does come with a USB cable. It's got a cap. It has 2 double-sided tapes. It does come with a user manual. So right here it's just flashing, basically telling you that it is working. So whenever you move, it stops blinking, and when the cat or you move next to it, it will start blinking. Basically what it does is gets rid of the smell. The Downypaws cat litter deodorizer is a new mode of odor eliminating on the market. It is new ion decomposition technology, which is to eliminate the control of odor up to 90%. It's specifically designed for cats, puppies, or any small spaces, especially where a kitty litter box is at. So this is the Type-C. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. So this right here will stick to the wall, and then you'll put the sticker to that. So what we're going to do is grab the sticker, we're going to tighten this up, we're going to put the sticker on that, and then we'll go take it to my wall, and then we'll place it on there. So when you want to remove it, all you have to do is turn it just like this. So once you turn it, you can remove it to charge it. So once the light turns red, it's basically letting you know that it needs to be charged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sticker on here, and then I'm going to go into my room where my cat is at, and I'm going to go and put this right next to her kitty box. So we have the tape on right here. So in order to remove it, you just turn it. So the tape is on. So this part right here will go connected to the wall. So I'm just going to go take this into the room. So right now we're in the room. I have it right above the kitty litter. You can see that it's flashing. Basically what that is doing is it's sucking up the dirty air and cleaning it out. It has a removal port at the bottom, so it sucks it in and it takes out the clean air. So this is what it looks like right next to the kitty box. If you're looking for a nice deodorizer that lasts up to 14 days on a single charge, that is portable, that you don't need to plug in, I'd highly recommend checking out this kitty deodorizer. It does remove all the impurities of 99%.